You know, that's the one thing I still haven't gotten used to living on a ship, is waking up. It's so hard. When there's no windows in here, I feel like I'm a bat in a cave. Like, I don't know, I must have gotten like 7 hours of sleep, and this is how I feel. I still feel not well rested at all. Guess I'll never get used to it. We go 2 hours back and 2 hours forward each week, which means our internal clocks are completely messed up. And we live in rooms with no windows, so that's fun. Today, we're on our way to do some fun Roatán adventures. Also, I'm sorry if my audio today is not the cleanest. I took my mic off because it's supposedly raining outside, so I brought it along just in case it gets better, but we'll find out. There's the ship. Show off. He's a show off. Woo!
I told you, he's the show off.
Woo! Yo, baby. Woo! Indiana Jones.
Do I take this off?
Oh my god, this lizard's so cute. Come here, bud. Hi. Oh, it's a lizard. Oh, it was so cute.
You guys work on the ship or?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're actors. And they do like wardrobe and like technical stuff. I'm one of the actors in the show.
Okay.
So I sing and dance, yeah. And we just sent up a bunch of people up. They just went up to the top.
Okay.
Like the whole cast, so.
Wow.
They're super rowdy.
Good, man.
Última vez. Gracias. El último.
Dad. Can I work here now? Listo? What's up, dude?
He knows exactly what you guys are having again.
Hello. Just finished one show. Gonna go eat. And then we're celebrating Chris's birthday. One of our castmates. Super hype. A lot of people might think I'm psycho, but there are, I think, about 18 decks on the ship, which is like 18 stories practically. Our main buffet is on deck 16, and I live on deck 8. So I'm crazy, but I say it's free cardio. Get the booty nice and strong. I always walk up to the Garden Cafe buffet. It's about eight floors. Their day ziplining, doing a show, kind of hurts, but it's worth it. Let's go eat. So I found some friends at the buffet. Got Brittany here. She does the wigs for Footloose and our other show Elements. And Melina is one of our wardrobe supervisors. Does the fabulous clothing and costumes that we have to change into. But I love them. They're some of my best friends. Did you guys have a good meal?
So good.
So full.
Yeah.
So good.
I can finally say the
Would you
garden
recommend?
was satisfied.
Satisfying?
I had
What'd you
fudge-
have?
10
I
out of
had
10.
a fudge cookie and
Fudge
some
cookie.
Of the, and some of the ice cream. It was delicious.
Hot. Just realized I've been recording wide for this evening so far because we were ziplining earlier. So let me know what you think. If you like the wide, I kind of like this linear look, but I feel like it's more natural. I don't think I've ever eaten this much salmon in my life, and I love salmon, but I usually don't get it because it's not the cheapest thing in the world. But when I do, it's always a treat. And I low-key, I'm pretty sure I have salmon like every day. Like, it's always available. lunch, dinner, even breakfast. They have like lox. So good. Hey, amigo. ¿Qué tal? Bien. ¿Qué pasa contigo?
Todo muy bien. ¿Cómo está todo? ¿Todo muy bien?
Todo muy bien.
Perfecto. ¿Qué tal tu noche y tu día?
Hola. Oh,
Hola,
this is Maddie.
¿cómo estás,
We haven't even met
Maddie?
Maddie yet.
Mi nombre es Maddie.
But we
¿Cuál
all
es tu
speak
nombre?
Spanish. She's learning Duolingo.
Estoy practicando
Yeah, por
mi
favor,
español.
más español, porfa.
Muchas gracias.
Pero ella está aprendiendo. Ella va a aprender.
She's
muy
learning.
bien.
She's learning.
Muy bien.
It's great.
Buenas noches. Hasta luego.
Buenas noches.
That's another thing about the ship. There's 1,700 crew members, but you bump into people you know all the time, which is like a blessing and a curse. Like, it kind of feels like a college. It's kind of cool. I love it. Sorry, the speaker is right above me playing this music, so we're gonna jam. I'm telling you, doing a show and getting to eat after, oh, it's the best. Especially today, we had one show. We usually do like double show days, which we did yesterday, but this week we did 3 instead of 4. I know that doesn't sound like much, and of course, like 3 or 4 shows at Footloose, we also do another show. On these one show days, it's like so easy to just like do the show, get some food after. It hits different, I'll tell you. Now, we're off. We're probably gonna hang out with some people, do a little pre-game action before the festivities begin for Chris. What's up, guys? We're at the crew bar right now. Oh my god, acting.
It makes me feel so uncomfortable.
I know. I'm still getting used to it.
Gay vlog.
All right. Yo, what's up, guys? So we're at the crew bar right now. I found some new friends. I already know. But
new
we're all new friends. All new friends. We got Raven here. Hello.
Hi. I hate this so much.
She's not used to vlogging. I'm still not used to it. Got Rachel.
Hi guys, it's me, Rachel Redding.
Ooh, oh wow, she's ready.
Welcome to the Reading Rendezvous.
The Reading Rendezvous.
The Reading Rendezvous.
We got Taylor over here.
Hi, I'm
Ooh.
Taylor.
Taylor found her beauty light. Look at that. We got Heather.
Hi, I'm Heather Michelle Lawler. How
What
are
do you
you?
guys do? Cheers, guys.
Cheers! Yeah! To my first vlog. Anybody else? Same, me too. First vlog. First vlog. Cheers.
Where are we going?
To the social.
Hey, what is social? Tell us about it.
It's basically the nightclub that's not a nightclub.
It's the nightclub that's not the nightclub.
It's
The only quote-unquote nightclub of the ship. The social.
3 hours a night.
For like 3 hours a night. Very good observation. It's kind of fun. There's a DJ, you can get drinks, and you can dance. Woo! Hot. Eso es mi amigo Javi. It's my friend Javi. He's a magician on the ship. Only Cali babies here.